In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote offers from Clickbank, Warrior Plus, and Gvizo. As you know, Clickbank is a marketplace to choose from thousands of great products to promote. The Clickbank affiliate marketplace is an online pavilion full of potential products in an array of niches already in promotions. You can browse all categories and search function for to find products and offers you wish to promote and earn a commission as a Clickbank affiliate. So you can find art, entertainment, business, internet, e-business marketing, where you find offers in internet marketing to promote, and in health. What I'm going to show you is how to create a lead magnet and a simple funnel that has a good offer, and also how to write a good headline and get that funnel to bring you more traffic and leads. So guys, as you know, also when you have a product or you want to promote, you can go to Munch.eye. Munch.eye is a great marketplace where you can submit an offer, and also you can also promote offers from other marketers. These launches or big launches are coming live in the next days on the 5th July, June, and 13th. So these marketers launch their offers on. We have offers from GV Warrior Plus and Clickbank. So you can visit the GV page and see what they have, the prices, the offers, and how much they offer as a commission, and also email swipes and demo to know this product, how it can help businesses and people build their online businesses. So the next step we are going to do is to create a lead magnet. So before you create a lead magnet, we need to think about how to get the landing page. As you know, Thrive Themes or Thrive Architects helps you to create a conversion focused website landing page and high converting a funnel for your business to build your list and get these subscribers. So also you need a Pixlr Studio Fx is a product you need to create high converting or eye-catching e-covers. So what it does this, you can pick templates, choose from 600 done for you templates in 23 niches to start from, and customize the cover and export and share it, and also create your lead magnet for this. So as you know, you can pay a good price for this. Let's check the price. You can pay between 12, 20 or 24 per month, billed monthly, to get started to design good covers for you and for your clients. So you are going to create high converting. Let's click on features and see the covers. Now you can see high converting e-covers on the cover for your book in different colors. The background is great. They give you the images and the icons, as you can see. So you don't have to waste your money on Fiverr or on Upwork to hire someone. You can do this work for you easily, as you have the software. You have everything from the templates and everything. So once you install that Thrive Architect on your own website, you can go and create a lead magnet. So what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a piece of content. It could be 5 pages, 20 pages, or 30 pages, and then you focus on solving a problem and giving so much value to build that trust with your subscribers, and they recognize you as a value leader or value expert. So they read your emails and listen to your videos and also open your emails all the time. So Once you create your cover using Pixlr, it's time to create your funnel. Make sure you are going to create a simple funnel for your website or to give that lead magnet. As you can see, landing page library from Thrive Architects gives you access to over 200 landing pages and 80 smart landing pages. You can search and find a simple landing page to create where you can submit your ebook as a lead magnet and write the headline and get to attract people to sign up to your offer. So once you choose a lead magnet or a simple landing page and you create your offer, it's time to focus on writing a high converting headline that attracts people. So once you go to Google, you need to enter the phrase or keyword phrase squeeze page followed between brackets list building. If your niche is about list building, it's fine. If your niche is about health, you can write squeeze, enter the keyword phrase squeeze page and followed by health or weight loss or get rid of acne. It depends. Once you choose that, you need to click on images. Once you click in images on Google here, you will find bunch of images squeeze pages. As you can see, list building simplified free report reveals powerful secrets to build a highly targeted mailing list to quickly and easily. I think this is a good headline to write for your lead magnet. What you are going to do is not to copy, but instead model and then write the sub headlines and the cover that you have written now. Now I can show you this example as I have created to show you this is a good headline. Discover how to rapidly build a list 100% on autopilot. This is the sub headline. The cover looks good and in red color. And here, once someone click on here, a pop-up appears to enter the email address. This is something you can do. So you need to focus also on getting on an autoresponder, get response for it. For instance, so I am using get response to build my list. So when I build my list and people sign up, I can open my account here and write the newsletters where people to send out newsletters and get people to open my emails and engage. So it's easy to do this. I will show you more in depth and about these four things I told you about. I will explain you how to get leads, how to get traffic, how to send traffic, and how to set up a high converting funnel, where to find high converting funnels. It's not from Warrior Plus, Clickbank, GPZoo, but this platform also you can find courses from world-class expert to promote your list and get the commission. There is so much information. So click in the link below and get my offer to read more information about this.